Hello guys and welcome to Laravel 7 tutorials. So guys, in this video we are going to discuss about what's new in Laravel feature number 4, and that is publish stub. So what is publish stub? Basically publish stub is going to create a mockup for us, or we can say it is going to create a starting point for us. So let's take an example so that we can understand publish stub better, and I will move to git bash right here. I have already accessed my project directory and folder, and in this case I'm using existing Laravel project. If you want to, you can use a fresh Laravel project as well. So I'm going to create a model, PHP artisan make model, and let's say model name is publish stub. That's it. Okay, let's move to Sublime. Right here we have publish stub. In my case, I always use Eloquent for CRUD operation, and whenever we are going to use Eloquent for CRUD operations, what we have to do basically is protected. We have to define the property $fillable, and we have to assign the column's name right here that we have in the database. Okay, this is the first point. And let's say we want to use a specific guard. What we can do is protected $guarded. Okay, and we can define a guard right here. So in my case, I always use Eloquent, and whenever I am going to create a new model, what I have to do, I have to define protected $fillable, and I have to define the column names so that Eloquent can map Eloquent properties to that specific database column names. Okay, so let's see what we have in publish stub. I'm going to move to git bash, and let's see the command php artisan, and here you can see we have a stub publish command right here. So let's try this. I will do php artisan stub publish. Okay, so we have a new folder created right here in the gallery directory. Right here you can see we have stubs. Okay, in this we have our model.stub. I will move to this model.stub, and here you can see we have some nice templating with the help of Blade, but I'm going to ignore this. And what I have to do, I have to define my properties that I want to predefine for each of the model I have. Okay, I'm just going to cut it from right here and paste it right here. Let's align this and let's save it. That's it. Okay, now let's delete this publish stub, and I'm going to delete this, and now let's create this publish stub model again, and right here. So now let's see this publish stub, and now you can see we have some predefined properties right here, $fillable and guarded, that we define right here in the stub and model.stub right here. Okay, so whatever you are going to define right here, you are going to have it in the model as predefined properties or method, etc., whatever you can say. Okay, so now let's make another model so that we can see it is working perfectly fine. PHP artisan make model, let's say testing. Okay, and we have a new model created. Let's move, and right here we have, and you can see we have predefined $fillable and guarded property right here. So this was just for an example that we used model. Basically, let me show you the stub directory, basically the stub folder, and you can see we have console, controller stub, job stub, etc., whatever you basically my point here right here is basically I wanted to tell you that you have a whole lot of stubs right here, and you can use them. Model stub was just for an example, and you can see that how powerful it is. All you have to do is you have to define your properties right here in the class, so that whenever you are going to create a new model, you can have it. So that was it from this publish stub model, and I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Take care.